That brief moment before sunrise. The air is still. There is no movement in the treetops. Along the horizon, an intense glow and the chorus of 1,000 birds heralding the rising sun. High up on the mountaintops, the clean, clear air brings a freshness to the new day. And any somber clouds draping the land in shadow slowly evaporate into the morning's warmth. With the dawn, the Scenic Rim has become a range of light and colour. The sunlight picking out the sculpted peaks, the stark cliffs, and the green cloak of the forests. But nothing is more colourful than the wildflowers of spring. The banksias intermingle with a host of other flowers in the heaths of the high ridges. And of all the flowers, it is the acacia or wattle that creates the brightest display. Along the open and sunny streams grow the bright red clystemons or bottle brushes. Here on these broad and open creek banks, there is plenty of sunlight, which these flowers love. But further upstream, much further upstream, above the big rapids and the cascades, where these mountain streams begin, there is only the shady reaches where the subtropical rainforest crowds in all round. The high rainfall charges these streams, and the steep terrain provides the stage for a spectacular display as these massive flows tumble down towards lower ground. The surrounding forest, always moist from the fine incessant spray or frequent rain showers, is home to countless plant species, making it the most complex and diverse terrestrial ecosystem. From the smallest ferns to the largest trees, all are interrelated, all in some way depending on one another. Yet, as well, all striving skywards in competition for the sunlight. And always through the forest, somewhere the distant sound of running water, tumbling over cascades hidden deep within the forests, tumbling down to the deep valley floors far below. These mountains are a home to countless waterfalls, each one spectacular. All with a character of their own. They are one of the many treasures found deep within the mountain ranges. To venture into these Antarctic beach forests when the mists have descended is like returning to prehistoric times. An eerie quietness pervades all. A stark contrast to the more open forests found on the drier slopes. A cool winter's walk or a climb through these open forests is a very enjoyable experience. Here the xanthorrhea or grass tree grows in profusion, as do myriad eucalypts, all with a different textured surface. The deeply furrowed bark of the ironbarks, the more fibrous covering of the stringy barks, or the smooth and polished white bark of the mountain gums. The eucalypts grow to the tops of the highest peaks, and from these vantage points, the view goes on forever. But unfortunately, the days do not. Just as predictably as it rose, the sun will soon go down over the Scenic Rim. The stark profile of Mount Barney against the changing hues of the twilight. Another day silently slips away. But there will be others, and each one will be different. In a wilderness so vast, with the seasons ever changing, you will find that here, there is always something more. Always a new secret to discover.